Namaste. Let's discuss these 7 most important wishes worth trying to materialize to lead a happy and seamless life. The 4th is Kriya Siddhi for attracting the right helpers to make your life easier. Now, as we started to meditate and started to dedicate more and more time to our spiritual practices, we begin to realize that a smooth and a quality life is challenging without reliable, happy and hardworking helpers by our side. That's where Kriya Siddhi techniques came in handy. They have been a game changer for us, providing sustained and the right kind of support that makes daily life so much easier. Now that you know our little secret, you can make it yours too. Imagine having that extra help to alleviate some of life's everyday pressures, leaving you with some extra time to do what you like the most. Isn't that wonderful?
Kriya Siddhi for happy work life and effortless growth. We all aspire for a work life that brings us satisfaction, a good income, a harmonious working environment, and the right opportunities. Many face struggle in this area, which lead to stress and health issues in the long term. The work life constitutes a significant part of our lives, maybe 30% or even more. It is necessary to utilize the valuable spiritual techniques of Kriya Siddhi to achieve success in these areas for achieving health, wealth, and happiness.
6th in our list is Kriya Siddhi for your regular and proper spiritual practices. Focusing on spiritual elevation isn't just essential for your own self. In fact, it also impacts the entire family. Without regular meditation, you won't experience any considerable transformation in yourself or in your life. But we do understand that in our current lifestyle, finding distraction-free time for regular meditation is one of the biggest challenges. As a result, even when we know the right techniques, the spiritual practices often end up taking a backseat. So if I don't have time, what do I miss? I miss my meditation practice. However, development and growth are among the primary objectives for which nature's forces have put in so much effort to create and sustain us. So just make a proper wish and observe how nature paves the way for you to achieve it.
To fulfill your immediate goals, like getting a dream house, a dream job, dream car, or health goals, something like weight loss or any other health issues, or even goals like you and your spouse want to meditate together. Kriya Siddhi techniques can be used to channelize nature's energies to materialize your day-to-day goals effortlessly.
Now you might say, my children are very young. I don't need to think about their career or marriage as of now. Or I want my dream house after 10-15 years when I settle down at one place, etc., etc. However, remember, when you sow a seed, there is a time lag before the tree matures and fruits start to manifest. In manifestation, there is a time lag. So it is best to start your Kriya Siddhi early to allow enough time to cover up for the time lag.
Then there are special days which have very powerful and auspicious energies, like full moon days, like retreats, like group meditations, like Vesak, Guru Purnima. These events have specific energies which are very suitable for materializing your goals. Now, if you know the correct technique, you can apply these techniques and leverage the auspicious and powerful energies of these days towards manifesting your goals to make your life effortless and focused.
Let's have a quick recap of our list.
First area is using Kriya Siddhi for the health of the elderly family members.
The second in our list is Kriya Siddhi for children.
Kriya Siddhi is for getting a suitable life partner for yourself or for your kids.
The fourth is Kriya Siddhi for attracting the right helpers to make your life easier.
Kriya Siddhi for happy work life and effortless growth.
Sixth in our list is Kriya Siddhi for your regular and proper spiritual practices.
To fulfill your immediate goals.
So, what are you waiting for? Take your Kriya Siddhi tools and start working. And don't forget to write your success stories in the comments below. Namaste until we meet again.